Here we are at our property on creek bed. We have a view of the cove here. Nice quiet area. You can see we painted the outside of the house and we trimmed back this tree a lot so you can see the house actually. The house used to be orange, now it's kind of a bluish gray color. On the back. It's got a little patio area here. There's actually a bigger yard there on the side. Got a storage area here. Side entrance into the kitchen. We are in the kitchen. It's got a nice place for a table here. It's a good looking house. Should rent around $900. We hope to have it rented soon. Going to start running ads in the paper this week. Should be rented, I'd say, by the middle of July. This is the dining room. There's a hallway. That's the front door there on the left. So if you come in the front door, you can go into the living room here, or go into the dining room there, or you turn left and go down the hall to the bedrooms. Here's the bathroom. Furnace. Laundry area. We've got a large master bedroom. This door here goes out to the patio. This is the master closet. And one large master bathroom. All right, that's it for our property on Creekbed. It's a real good looking house. Should be very easy to rent in a nice neighborhood. We hope you're interested in it. If you are, please give us a call at 901-212-7246, or please contact the person that informed you about the property. Thank you so much. Goodbye.